Hi, kindergartners. My name is Ms. Calhoun, and today I want to give you one tool to put in your toolkit to help you be a super writer. And in today's writer's workshop, I want to teach you that super writers know the parts of a friendly letter. How? By labeling the parts of a friendly letter. Why? When you know the parts of a friendly letter, you can start writing messages to your family, your friends, and even your teachers. So let's find out more about what a friendly letter is and what are its parts. So the year is 2020, and in this day and age, we can send a message to our friends and the people we know through text messages, emails, and even phone calls. But you know, that wasn't always the case. And to make someone feel special, I write them a friendly letter. It makes them feel special. Let's now learn the parts of a friendly letter. So at the top of the page, you could see the words, Dear Students. That means I'm writing to the students. And that part of the letter is called the greeting. So I'm going to label that with the word greeting and put it right up here on our letter. And you can see that the greeting is the first part in the letter. It's the number 1. The second part is called the body. My letter says, I miss you. I wish we were back at school. I hope you are healthy and safe. This part of the friendly letter is called the body. So I'm going to label this part of the letter with the word body, which kind of is a silly name for a part of the letter. Basically, the body is the message you're writing. What are you trying to tell the person you're writing to? The next part of the letter is called the closing. You can see I wrote the word love. In other letters, you might see the word sincerely, respectfully, or even your friend. Again, that is called the closing. And you can see I have the third part here labeled with closing. The closing is the third part of our friendly letter. The last part is called the signature, and the signature is your name. It's important that you write your name so that the person who receives your letter knows who wrote it. So let's label the signature, which is your name, as signature. And that part is the fourth part of the letter. So students, we have 4 parts of the letter. We have the greeting, the body, the closing, and the signature. The greeting, the body, the closing, and the signature. I think you might be ready to help me label this again. Let's do this together. So I'm going to take our labels down and I'm going to scramble them up, and maybe you can help me label the parts of the friendly letter. There we go. So let's go back. It says, Dear Students. That's the person who I'm writing to. What is that part called? Is it the greeting or is it the closing? Let's think about this. The greeting. That kind of means saying hello to someone. Maybe it's about to someone's name. Thumb to your chest if you think you know the answer. Is it the greeting or is it the closing? Are you ready? Let's say it on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Greeting! You're absolutely right. The first part of our letter is the greeting that says, "Dear students." Let's go to the next question. It says, "I miss you. I wish we were back at school. I hope you are healthy and safe." Is that part of the letter the signature or the body? Let's think about that. Well, I know the signature is my name, and I don't see my name in this part of the letter. Oh, and the body? The body is the message, I remember. That means I'm telling the person something I want them to know. Thumb to your chest. Is this part the body or the signature? Are you ready? Let's say it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You're right. It is the body. The second part of the letter, I'm going to label that with body. Supervisors, your brains are growing so big. Let's do the last parts of the letter. 3, love. Well, that kind of sounds like I'm ending the letter, kind of stopping it, kind of closing it. Could that be the closing of the letter or the signature? Give you a few more minutes to think about it. Let's say the answer on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You're right. Love, respectfully, sincerely, that is the closing. Ding, 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 ding. And lastly, my name, Ms. Calhoun. Well, that's a signature. When you write your name, it's called a signature. So that must be the signature. So super writers, today and every day, remember the 4 parts of a friendly letter. Greeting, body, closing, signature. Greeting, body, closing, signature. I'll see you next week for another video on writing a friendly letter. Bye-bye.